Good evening. There have been scenes of chaos and confusion outside the Adelaide Youth Court as 3 teen suspects in the hit-run death of a northern suburbs mother were set free because of a procedural blunder. But the trio was arrested again only moments later as police swarmed the building.
A shocking moment in a case that's already shocked the state.
Is there anything you'd like to say to the family of Lucy?
Nothing.
As 3 of the juvenile suspects in the hit-run death of Mawson Lake's mother, Lucy Paverley, are set free from the Adelaide Youth Court late this afternoon, only to be re-arrested.
He's not resisting! He's not resisting!
One by one, the teens aged 13, 14 and 15 walked towards the front doors of the court, knowing their freedom would be fleeting, with a growing line of police outside, each taken back into custody and marched to waiting cage cars as confused and increasingly angry relatives watched on.
Love you too, bud. Love you too, brother.
The trio released apparently because of a paperwork blunder by police or prosecutors. Shortly before the confusion began, another accused juvenile appeared in court and wasn't released. Instead, he was remanded in custody. As the chaos unfolded here at the youth court, the 5th suspect in the hit-run case and the only adult was fronting the Adelaide Magistrates Court. 18-year-old Lyle Leonard Morrison, who is charged with manslaughter, made no application for bail and was also remanded in custody. All are charged over the death of the 40-year-old victim, who was driving to work as an Anglicare aged carer on Sunday morning when her car was struck by a speeding, stolen 4-wheel drive which ran a red light at Parafield. The occupants of the 4-wheel drive fled in a second stolen car which had been following. It's alleged the 5 suspects then dumped that car and ran off, leaving carnage and devastation behind them. This afternoon's scenes sure to spark top-level demands for answers about how such a major case could be so badly mishandled. Lauren Barker, 9 News.
And the court appearance of teenagers charged over that fatal crash have descended into chaos, with 3 boys set free and then quickly re-arrested. And with more on those chaotic scenes outside the youth court, we go live now to Lauren Barker. Lauren, have authorities shed any light on what went so wrong there?
Yeah, Kate, police have just been able to give us some kind of insight as to why these unusual and chaotic scenes occurred here at court this afternoon. They say it's because the DPP decided not to proceed with manslaughter charges against the 3 boys. Police then responded when they were informed that they would be released and had a large presence here to re-arrest the suspects. They're now in the City Watch House in custody and they're likely to face lesser charges relating to the events in the lead up to that hit run. In fact, all juvenile suspects have now had their charges reduced. 18-year-old Lyle Morrison, who faced the Magistrates Court today, is now the only one charged with the most serious offence of manslaughter.
Lauren, thank you for the update.